What is up guys, Dana this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the automatic price alert in Perplexity AI. So first you need to head over to the Perplexity AI and then you need to make sure that you have purchased the Perplexity Pro version. And after that on the left side, you need to click on the accounts and after that you need to click on task. After clicking on task on the right side, you will see this plus icon. Click on that and then choose price alert. After choosing price alert, you just need to find a stock whose price alert do you want. Let's say I want the Nvidia's. I'll choose it and then I need to hit the target price. Let's say $500. And after that, I just need to give additional instructions, but this is optional. And when I'm done, I'll just simply click on add alert. And here you will see in the all alerts section, here is the NVIDIA's alert I have set. So this is how you can set your price alerts on Perplexity AI. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.